Hey, it's Don Willard from Advanced Carpet Cleaning in Bel Air, Maryland, voted Bel Air's best carpet cleaner for 2 years in a row. And I just wanted to talk to you today about Jill's office. Imagine having an employee that never calls in sick, never takes off, works a lot of holidays, never complains, never gives you any negative feedback. Customers love, you get raving reviews from customers constantly. That's what you get with Jill's office, and it's for a fraction of what you could pay someone to answer your phones. So it's so worthwhile. I've been with them several years now. I believe it was 2016 when I got started with them. So it's been, it's going on 5 years now. So I've been very, very pleased. Highly recommend them. I do constantly get people commenting on, oh, that young lady that answers your phone is so friendly and helpful, and she was so nice. She answered all my questions, and she was very patient. So I get things like that. Oh, I get compliments constantly about that, and I try to pass them along to Jules whenever they come in. But it's after a while, it's like, yeah, what else is new? You kind of take it for granted, but I don't ever take them for granted. They're fantastic, and I would highly recommend you do yourself a favor, stop answering your own phone or stop using the service that you're currently using and go with Jill's office. That's my recommendation. Have a great day.